Have you ever woken up with numbness, tingling, or aching feet and wondered if it's just a normal part of aging or something more serious? Maybe you've noticed your balance isn't what it used to be, or that simple walks have become uncomfortable and painful. If any of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the good news is, there's hope. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 3 powerful bedtime vitamins that can transform the health of your feet, improve your balance, reduce pain, and help you regain strength, all while you sleep. These aren't just random supplements. They're backed by science and proven to target the root causes of foot problems many seniors face, like nerve damage, muscle weakness, and inflammation. You might be surprised to learn that many people don't get enough of these essential nutrients because they're hidden in plain sight and often overlooked by mainstream advice. But taking the right vitamins at the right time, before bed, can make a huge difference in how your feet feel and function every day. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'll also share important tips on how to maximize absorption and incorporate these vitamins easily into your nightly routine. Plus, I'll give you simple lifestyle habits that work hand in hand with these supplements to speed up recovery and keep your feet strong and pain-free for years to come. If you're ready to take control of your foot health and step confidently into every day, let's get started. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support means a lot to me, and if you enjoyed this video, you can help me continue spreading the valuable lessons by liking and sharing it. If you like the topic of this video, please comment 1. If you don't, please comment 0 to let me know how I can improve and make better videos for you. Now, let's begin. 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is one of those essential nutrients that quietly, almost invisibly, works behind the scenes to keep our bodies functioning at their best, especially as we age. In my experience and through the countless stories shared by older adults I've met, I've come to deeply appreciate how critical vitamin B12 is for preserving nerve health and maintaining the vital communication pathways between the brain and the feet, those amazing parts of our bodies that carry us through life. Without this connection being clear and strong, simple everyday actions like standing, walking, or even balancing can become frustrating and fraught with fear. You might have noticed a strange sensation in your feet, a prickling or tingling, sometimes numbness that creeps in without warning. It's subtle at first and easy to ignore, but gradually it can grow into something that undermines your confidence. I recall talking with a lovely woman named Mary, who told me how the numbness made her feel disconnected from her own body. She described the fear of taking a step, worried she might stumble or fall, and how this slowly crept into her daily life, shrinking her world. This isn't just an uncomfortable feeling. It's often a symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency, which, if left unaddressed, can cause real nerve damage, muscle weakness, and even balance problems that threaten independence, something we all cherish as we grow older. Vitamin B12 works profoundly. It acts as a healer deep within your nervous system, helping to repair and regenerate those tiny, delicate nerves that carry signals from your brain down to your muscles, especially the nerves in your feet that control movement and sensation. The amazing thing is that this repair process happens largely while you sleep. During the night, as your body cycles through its natural repair mode, vitamin B12 steps in like a patient guardian, supporting the regeneration of nerve tissue, reducing inflammation, and improving muscle coordination. This restorative work can be transformative, waking up feeling steadier, stronger, and more sure-footed, ready to face the day with confidence and freedom. Timing and the form of vitamin B12 are surprisingly important. For maximum effect, it's best to take it just before bedtime, aligning with your body's natural repair rhythms. I highly recommend the methylcobalamin form. It's the most bioavailable and effective form of B12 your body can absorb. Sublingual tablets that dissolve under your tongue are especially beneficial because they bypass the digestive system, ensuring better absorption and faster delivery to your bloodstream. This small change in your evening routine is easy to adopt, but the benefits can be profound and long-lasting. Personally, Adding vitamin B12 to my nightly health regimen was a turning point. I experienced a gradual but noticeable decrease in that creeping numbness, a return of strength to my feet, and an overall renewed sense of vitality. It was like reclaiming a lost part of myself, regaining the independence that feeling secure on my feet brings. To me, vitamin B12 isn't just a supplement. It's a lifeline, a source of hope and reassurance for anyone worried about losing control over their body. If you find yourself struggling with numbness, tingling, or weakness, I urge you to consider vitamin B12 as a powerful but gentle partner in your health journey. Your body, your feet, and your spirit deserve that care. And believe me, the peace of mind and comfort that come from knowing you're supporting your body's healing process are truly priceless. 2. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin, and for good reason. It's naturally produced in our skin when we're exposed to sunlight. Yet, despite its critical role, it remains one of the most overlooked and underappreciated nutrients, especially among older adults. As we age, our ability to synthesize vitamin D3 from sunlight diminishes, making supplementation or dietary intake increasingly important. From my years working with seniors and listening to their heartfelt experiences, I can say vitamin D3 is not just a vitamin. It's a lifeline to maintaining strength, independence, and quality of life. One of the most profound impacts of vitamin D3 is its role in preserving muscle strength. Muscle weakness can feel like a slow thief, gradually stealing away the physical power and stamina needed for everyday activities. Whether it's standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or simply taking a walk around the block. When muscles grow weak, the risk of falling skyrockets. And falls aren't just a minor setback. For older adults, they can lead to serious injuries such as hip fractures, head trauma, or even a loss of autonomy that changes life forever. Knowing this, vitamin D3 feels like a silent guardian that supports muscle health and helps prevent these frightening events. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment 1 below to let me know that you are still here with me. The connection between vitamin D3 and inflammation is another vital piece of the puzzle. Chronic low-grade inflammation is common as we age and can exacerbate joint stiffness, muscle soreness, and general discomfort that make moving feel like a chore. Vitamin D3 acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Modulating the immune response helps calm the persistent inflammation that can turn simple movements into painful tasks. This effect alone can bring enormous relief and allow for greater ease and joy in daily life. Hearing stories from older adults who suffer from painful foot cramps or experience sudden muscle weakness is truly heart-wrenching. These symptoms often seem minor or inevitable, yet they can erode confidence and independence in profound ways. I remember a dear friend who dreaded going to bed, knowing that nighttime cramps would wake her repeatedly, leaving her exhausted and anxious. That sense of vulnerability, of no longer trusting your own body, can be deeply isolating. It's not just physical pain, it's emotional distress. So what makes vitamin D3 so powerful at a biological level? The secret lies in muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body repairs and rebuilds muscle fibers. This ongoing repair is essential for keeping muscles strong and functional. Vitamin D3 acts as a catalyst in this process, signaling your body to produce the proteins necessary for muscle regeneration. Most of this repair happens during sleep, your body's natural healing time. When you have sufficient vitamin D3, you're giving your muscles the tools they need to heal microdamage, grow stronger, and stay resilient. It's like fueling a nightly repair crew that tirelessly works to keep you moving well. The way you take vitamin D3 makes a significant difference in how much your body can use it. Research indicates that taking vitamin D3 at night, along with a small amount of healthy fat, like a spoonful of olive oil, a slice of creamy avocado, or a handful of walnuts, greatly enhances absorption. Since vitamin D3 is fat-soluble, this pairing ensures your body can absorb and utilize it efficiently. This small but intentional habit can transform the effectiveness of the supplement, turning a simple routine into a powerful health boost. On a deeply personal note, incorporating vitamin D3 into my evening routine has been nothing short of transformative. Beyond the obvious physical benefits, it brings a profound sense of reassurance and peace. I no longer wake up worried about sudden muscle cramps or feeling unsteady on my feet. Instead, I feel a quiet strength, a confidence that I'm doing something tangible every day to protect my health and mobility. Taking vitamin D3 at night feels like a gentle, loving ritual, a way of telling my body, I see you, I care for you, and I'm helping you stay strong. If you've ever felt the frustration of muscle weakness, the sharp discomfort of foot cramps, or the creeping fear of falling, I urge you to take vitamin D3 seriously. It is far more than a simple supplement. It's a key part of the foundation for healthy aging, active living, and joyful independence. The effort it takes to remember one small dose each evening is tiny compared to the vast improvements you'll experience in strength, balance, and overall well-being. Your body is a treasure, and it deserves the best care possible. Vitamin D3 can be one of the most effective, natural, and accessible tools to help you protect that treasure as you age gracefully and live fully. 3. Vitamin K2, especially 7 Malawian Quatches form. As we age, it's all too common to experience the creeping discomfort that settles into our joints and muscles, particularly in our feet. This discomfort is not just a minor inconvenience. It can feel like a heavy weight on our daily lives. What was once effortless, walking to the mailbox, standing to chat with a friend, or simply moving around the house, can become painful and exhausting. The frustration and sadness that come with this loss of mobility are profound. It chips away at our independence, making us feel trapped in bodies that no longer cooperate the way we wish they would. I've witnessed firsthand how deeply this affects people's spirits, causing some to retreat from activities they love and miss the freedom they once enjoyed. One of the lesser-known but incredibly powerful tools in the fight against this decline is vitamin K2, particularly in its 7 Malawian Quatches form. This vitamin doesn't just support bone health in a general sense. It plays a critical, highly specialized role in regulating calcium in the body. Calcium is vital for keeping our bones dense and muscles functioning well. But without vitamin K2, calcium can end up in places where it causes harm, like soft tissues and joints. This misplacement leads to calcification, a stiffening process that can cause inflammation, pain, and restrict movement. I find it heartbreaking how many people suffer from these symptoms without understanding that a deficiency or imbalance in vitamin K2 might be a major part of the problem. What makes vitamin K2 7 Malawian Quatches truly remarkable is its ability to activate certain proteins, osteocalcin and matrix GLA protein, that act as calcium guides. These proteins ensure calcium goes exactly where it's needed, to strengthen bones and support muscle repair, and prevent it from depositing in arteries, joints, or soft tissues. This precise regulation is especially important for the feet, which bear our entire body weight and are foundational to every step we take. Healthy feet enable us to stand tall, walk confidently, and engage fully with life. When calcification and inflammation invade, they rob us of this basic yet profound ability to move freely and without pain. On a personal level, I consider vitamin K2 7 Malawian Quatches a quiet but powerful hero for anyone wishing to age actively and with dignity. It's not just a vitamin. It's a partner in your body's nightly healing process. Taken before bedtime, especially combined with vitamin D3, it supports the body's natural cycles of tissue regeneration and calcium metabolism. Vitamin D3 enhances calcium absorption from food, while vitamin K2 directs the calcium to the bones and muscles where it strengthens structure and function. Together, they create a synergy that works quietly and effectively while you sleep, helping you wake feeling steadier, stronger, and more comfortable on your feet. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, Please comment 2 below to let me know that you are still here with me. Incorporating vitamin K27 Malawian Quachas into your daily routine is more than a health decision. It's a deeply meaningful act of self-care and hope. It means you're choosing to support your body with the nutrients it needs to heal and maintain itself, even as time passes. For those who have struggled with chronic foot pain or joint stiffness, this choice can feel empowering. It's a way to reclaim control over your mobility and quality of life, to say yes to more joyful walks, longer moments of standing with ease, and the freedom to move without fear or discomfort. Imagine waking up without that familiar ache in your feet, stepping outside to enjoy a morning stroll, or simply standing in the kitchen without wincing. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are doing something positive and proactive for your health every single day. That's the promise vitamin K27 Malawian Quachas holds. A chance to preserve your independence and comfort, to reduce inflammation, and to foster the body's natural ability to repair itself. Of course, vitamin K2 is just one piece of a bigger picture. Alongside a nutrient-rich diet, regular gentle exercise, proper hydration, and medical guidance, it forms a foundation for healthy aging. But this foundation is crucial, especially for maintaining the integrity of your feet and muscles, which carry your life stories and adventures. Giving your body the support it needs through vitamin K27 Malawian Quachas is an investment in your future, a commitment to walking through life with strength, grace, and resilience. If you or someone you love is facing the frustration of foot pain or joint stiffness, I urge you to consider vitamin K27 Malawian Quachas seriously. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a scientifically supported, natural way to help your body maintain balance and health. And sometimes, these small, consistent steps add up to the biggest changes, allowing you to live your later years with more freedom, joy, and confidence than you might have thought possible. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time to learn about the incredible benefits of vitamin K27 Malawian Quachas for stronger, healthier feet and joints. I hope you now understand just how important this vitamin is in supporting your body's natural ability to direct calcium where it's needed most, helping to reduce pain, inflammation, and stiffness so you can move more freely and confidently. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What is one new thing you've learned from this video that you plan to bring into your daily routine? Whether it's trying vitamin K27 Malawian Quachas before bedtime or simply paying more attention to your foot health, your experiences and intentions matter a lot. Please leave your comment down below, sharing what stood out to you the most and how you're going to put it into practice. Your story might inspire someone else in this community.